Yes, what's up? What's up? Crypto Bro is back in the lab. Yo, what's up, guys? Ça va? J'espère que tout le monde va bien. I hope everybody's doing good. Today is Friday. Friday. Weekend's coming up, and crypto seems to get back on track. Hein, le week-end arrive et en plus, on a la crypto qui revient à la normale, peut-être. So, let's go. Follow up sur le Bitcoin. Alors, je viens d'enlever mon truc ici, là. Sorry, I just removed this thing here. Let me just talk about it a little bit. Here, 56K, 56K. J'avais mentionné qu'il fallait hold le 56K. What happened? Straight on my trend line. So we broke the resistance, not the resistance, the support, right? The support didn't hold, le support n'a pas hold, ok? Mais malgré qu'on a break la zone de support, on s'est rendu dans mon trend line, guys. Straight up on that trend line. And then what happened after that? It bounced back, and then we're on our way up right now. Okay, so things are looking good. The only thing is we have to be careful. On doit faire attention par contre. Why? This right here. This, all of that. Man, this is insane support. C'est malade. Tout ça, c'est du support, là. So what that means, we need to break that support now, that resistance, because when support doesn't hold, it goes down, and then it becomes resistance. So now you need to test the resistance. The same way we tested the support, like here, right? On a testé le support comme ici. Boom. Ça a confirmé le support. Now, on va retester la résistance. So, are we all good? Not necessarily. On n'est pas encore all good. Pourquoi? Why? Well, today is Friday, and there's less trading, there's less volume. We all know during the weekends, il y a moins de volume, le marché est moins actif les week-ends. Alors, parfois, sometimes it tends to go down. Sometimes. But it doesn't mean so. Why? Personally, what I think is going to happen, what I would like for it to happen is to go sideways from here and then sideways and then explode. That's what I'm looking for right now. I don't want to see that sideways action on the downside. I want to see it in this range. Otherwise, if it doesn't work, si ça marche pas, si le sideways action que je m'attends par rapport à la zone où ce qu'on est présentement et puis que ça décroche, it's gonna go down all the way to, whoops, that's too low. Whoa. Let's start again. It's gonna go down to this trend line. You see that trend line here? Let me show you better. You see? The second line. That second one. That first one is the one we just saw here. But if it continues, si ça continue, it's gonna go here. Bam. Oh, what happened? Come on. It's gonna go here. Like this. Boom. Okay? And that's about 52 exactly. I got it. 52,500 K. And why am I saying that? Well, look at this. Pourquoi je dis ça? Yo, simple. Simple facts. Support. The VPVR shows a lot of volume, a lot of support here. There's no way we're going here. And not only that, look at that resistance over here in that zone. Regardez la résistance qu'il y a ici. Tout ça, c'est de la résistance. Tout ça, là, on n'était pas capable de break. So, it becomes support. OK? So, ça devient le support. So, si je viens ici, comme ça, bam. This is where it's going to stop. C'est ici que ça va arrêter, guys. Okay? It cannot go lower than that. There's too much volume. The VPVR is proving it. Okay, look at this. Too much volume. So things are looking good, yes, but it's still a chance to go all the way down to 53, 52, 500. Yeah. Okay, and this is why. You see, you have the break here, boom, resistance, resistance, break, support, potentially break, and support again. All right, so that's what I'm looking at right now. And you know what? Just to show you that I was so confident about that trade, I put in a trade. I don't usually do that, but I feel so comfortable, so confident. Je me sens très en confiance et je suis à l'aise pour ce trade-là parce que I could see the trend. I could see it. And I can see that with all the thing that's going on right now in the market, the Bitcoin and everything, and the crypto in general, I don't think that the bull run is over. So I went in and put in a trade. I put in a long. J'ai mis un trade. I put in a long. What I did is I put my trade. It was you can see here 125. What? I didn't know I put that much, but it's 2.2 BTC value. So I put in 20K actually. J'ai mis 20 000, okay, à ma position. Yeah, 20 000, okay. So basically 20K, I would probably make somewhere around 100 or 120K. That's my first ever big trade. I never put that much money on a trade, but I felt very, very confident for that push. And if anything happens, si quelque chose arrive, peu importe, I'm gonna risk manage like I did already. You could see here, I have some loss here because I did some risk management. I didn't want to lose my money, so I just removed some position and then put back here at this level. J'ai changé ma position, ce qui fait que je pourrais dire virtuellement en perte. Mais je récupère mes pertes présentement parce qu'on repart. Qu'est-ce que j'ai fait? C'est que j'ai enlevé des positions dans le trade que j'étais avant et je les ai remis ici quand j'ai vu qu'on allait repartir. So the way I did it is that obviously I was waiting. I had noticed, I had mentioned that I wanted the support to be above 56K. But when I noticed that we hit below, quand j'ai vu qu'on était plus bas que 56K comme j'avais prévu, j'ai attendu avant de mettre une position pour voir qu'il allait avoir un break. I saw the break. Once I saw the break, I waited for the retracement and then I went in. So, quand il y a eu le dip, je n'étais pas confiant par rapport surtout où est-ce qu'on est tombé. Je voulais voir un break. J'ai vu le break. Parce que n'oubliez pas, là, je suis dans un chart de quoi? 5 minutes, that's not good. At least 30 minutes, it could show you that break properly. Well, that's short-term trading, right? So, there's no reason to go higher than 30 minutes. Well, okay. I guess the recording is bugging my chart right now. Okay, there you go. So you can see the break, and then the retracement. Let me show you better that way. You see how my order hit perfectly. Okay, so j'ai vu le break. That candle was my confirmation, and that's where I put my position. Confirmation, position, there we go. So now I need to manage in case we go lower, like I mentioned in the TA. Alors moi, je dois manage si on continue à descendre, comme j'ai mentionné dans le TA, pour s'assurer que je sois toujours en gain, que je ne perds pas d'argent. Et puis, c'est juste une question de manage. That's it. So, yeah, man. So, on the road 420K, man. That's what I'm aiming. All right, so c'était juste pour vous faire un petit update. It was just a little update and show you that, I do make those calls, do make those TAs, but I do trade as well. I don't just put TAs in there and not trade. I'm a trader. So, yeah, that's it, guys. Hope you like it. J'espère que vous aimez ça. The bilingual type of video. Les types de vidéos en bilingue comme ça. Trying to help everybody. J'essaie d'aider tout le monde. So, si vous avez des commentaires, don't hesitate. Si vous avez des commentaires, n'hésitez pas. Basically, c'est du franglais, man. C'est franglais, okay? That's franglais. You can't even say that in English. You can only say it in French, franglais. So, on va commencer ça. On va continuer ça. On va voir si ça va bien de même. S'il y a quelque chose qui va pas, let me know. All right, guys, that's it. Hope you like it. Enjoy, and let's make more money!